Hey everyone, happy lazy Saturday afternoon. I pray this finds everyone in great health. I want to give a big shout out to start off for my students of the day. This week we had uh, Bain, Everett, Ryan, Kate. We had Max, Molly, Dekai, and Camille. Um, great, great work by those students this week. Look forward to more students of the weeks this week. So this week was another great week in the class. We started our social study, wrapped up our first week of social studies, and we also wrapped up our science fair presentations. So I put those grades in. So you should have uh, some grades coming in for the social studies map quiz. Let me go back and correct that. The social studies map quiz, we took those yesterday, and the grade should be in, I would say, 98 or 99% of the students um, received 100%. So they basically are learning the 50 states of the United States, and so they're getting blank maps of different regions. And so last week was just four states, just Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, and Oklahoma. And so they had a couple days to study those. This week we're gonna skip a region and go to the Great Plains. So it's like North Dakota, South Dakota, Illinois, Missouri, Nebraska, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and states like that. And so they'll have 11 states, and they'll have until Thursday to study. So those came home yesterday. You should see those in their binder. So they'll have 11 states, blank states to study. We went over making acronyms to kind of help them study, and so the students, thought that was pretty effective. And we had like a little contest, and we kind of voted on it and things like that. We also finished up our science fair experiment. That's what I was saying earlier, and we did the presentations, and so those account for two grades. It'll be counting for your speaking and listening, as well as part of the science grade, and those grades will be in pretty soon. But I did get in the grades for the map quiz one. Um, we still are getting closer and closer on our fees. Those fees are still remaining to be an issue. And until those issues resolved, we won't be able to go on any field trips. Which brings me to my next point. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I will be out. I will be with the sixth graders at science camp. So if you need me or need to reach me on email, will probably be the best way. I'll periodically check my email when I'm up there, but just know that signal is kind of spotty. We'll be in Prescott, and so I'll check it as much as I can. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will be out. The students will have a substitute, and they already know the expectations and the behavior. We started our social studies unit as well, just early exploration, and we started with Marco Polo and his exploration and his writing of about Asia, and how that influenced early Europeans like Christopher Columbus, and how they were trying to go out and explore and try to discover Asia, and how they ended up here. And so we're going to culminate with this quarter with the American Revolutionary, and then get into the Civil War. So we had to kind of go back before we can go forward. So that's where we are in the social studies. So just a recap, those students, great job for student of the day. We need those fees to be turned in. Science is kind of put on the back burner for a little bit. We had a great unit with the scientific method. Would ended with those science fair presentations. I'm really excited to see their science fair, the real science fair, when we get moving in there, and we're moving forward for social studies. In writing, we're working on some things, and trying to get the mechanics and stuff after I've seen everyone's writing, so I kind of got a good grasp of where they need corrections at. And so we're going to be moving forward with some exciting things in writing as well. So have a great week, everyone. See you guys coming up here real soon. I'll see some of the students Monday, because we leave from school. So I'll see some of them Monday morning for a little bit. And hope you guys have a great weekend. See you guys later.